Domino brings to you its next generation laser coders that are reliable, flexible and affordable. Introducing the new D310 series, the best in-class laser coder developed by global industrial printing leader Domino. Its flexibility and reliability enables you to code on a variety of substrates: card, paper, PET, glass, coated metal cans, and a wide range of flexible packaging. With its small footprint, it can fit in packing lines even where space is at a premium. It easily integrates into vertical and horizontal form-fill seal machines, flow wrap machines, and tray sealers, which means you don't need to reconfigure your existing packing line. D310's user-friendly interface enables you to design messages using customizable fonts, graphics, code orientations, and a wide range of barcodes, including data matrix codes and QR codes. It works best for manufacturers across food, beverage, pharmaceutical, home care, personal care, and several other industries where indelible and tamper-proof codes give immense value, comfort, and security to consumers. Our turnkey process ensures you get the right laser configuration and a fully safe and compliant installation. Easy. And what's also easy is how to afford it. Thanks to the range of Domino financing options, laser coding is made affordable like never before. Remember, your customers deserve the best, so do you. Domino.